Welcome to this tutorial on how to gain more views on your YouTube videos in less time. First and foremost, it's important to understand that the key to getting more views on YouTube is to create high-quality, engaging content that people will want to watch and share. However, there are also a few tips and tricks you can use to help your videos get more visibility on the platform. Here are some actionable steps you can take to get more views on your YouTube videos. Use keywords in your titles and descriptions. Choose titles and descriptions that accurately reflect the content of your video and include relevant keywords to make it easier for people to search it. Promote your videos on social media. Share your videos on your own social media accounts, as well as relevant communities and forums to get more eyes on your content. Collaborate with other creators. Partnering with other creators can help you tap into their audiences and get more views on your videos. Utilize YouTube's algorithms. YouTube's algorithms are designed to surface the best and most relevant content to users, so it's important to optimize your videos to rank well. This includes using tags, optimizing your thumbnail, and including closed captions. Engage with your audience. Encourage your viewers to like, comment, and subscribe to your channel. This helps to improve your channel's visibility and can lead to more views over time. By following these tips, you can increase the chances of your videos getting more views on YouTube. Remember to keep creating high-quality content, and don't be afraid to experiment with different strategies to see what works best for you. Thanks for watching.